Bonjour everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Louisa. You are watching Loulou C'est la vie, and for today's video I am going to share with you some of my favorite things. Alright, so most of the things that I'm going to show you, except for probably two items, are stuff that I've been using for the past month or so, so they're pretty new in my life. We're going to talk about skincare, we're going to talk about perfumes, tea, gadgets, things that I really enjoy using and that I'm probably gonna buy again more than once because I love them so much. Alright, so first I'm gonna start with the oldest thing that I've been using for a while now. I think I'm on year 2 of using this product. My favorite perfume. My favorite perfume of the moment is the L'Éclat from La Vie est Belle de Lancôme. All this was in French, sorry, but it's a French brand. This perfume is my favorite perfume for the past 2 years. It's been gifted to me 2 summers ago in France from a friend of mine, a dear friend of mine. And at first, when I first smelled it, because it's really hard to buy a perfume for somebody, you really have to know them well. And when I first smelled it, I was like, oh my gosh, this is too strong. This is too sweet of a smell because it has that vanilla kick to it. And I'm not a big fan of strong, sweet smells. But then I put it on me, and then you know how your skin chemical kind of changed the smell of certain things, especially perfumes. Well, when this perfume is mixed with my skin and I guess my whatever, my sebum, or I don't know what, the smell turns into something that I actually really like. So this is something that I like with this perfume, is that I feel like depending on who is putting it on, kind of turns it takes the identity of the person, if that makes any sense. This perfume is a very flowery, fresh smell. There is orange blossom and iris in it. So it really has that flower bouquet, but on the sweeter tone, and it's very fresh and lightweight. I hope this smell description makes some kind of sense, but just go and try it for yourself. It's not for everybody, but it's definitely a smell that I do like. Alright, the second item I want to talk about are skincare products. I have purchased skincare product from a brand called Instant Natural. If you guys follow me and been listening to my live streams, you probably remember the time that I placed the order. When I received the order, actually I showed it to you guys. I've been using their product for about a month now, and you guys, I am absolutely in love with the line of product. I have purchased their age defying and skin clearing moisturizer, the serum, and the toner. Okay, so those are from the same line of product from Instant Natural, which is the age defining and skin clearing. I am in love with the toner, you guys. It really unified the color and the tone of my skin. When I started using this product, I was going through some hormonal acne. Actually, by the time I received the product, the hormonal acne was starting to slow down a little bit. But I have to say that the one product from the line that made the most difference, at least to me, is their glycolic cleanser. I am so in love with this cleanser. Before using this cleanser, I was using the one from Lancôme. Was it from Lancôme? Well, I'll put a picture right here of the one that I was using before, and I've been using this one for years. But this one, you guys, is my new favorite. It's called Glycolic Cleanser. It reduces the look of pores, even texture and fine line. It's for all skin type. It has glycolic acid, it has cucumber extract, organic chamomile, and green tea extract. I am in love with this product. I use it every day, at least once a day, usually at night time. That's when I cleanse my skin. I don't really cleanse my skin in the morning because I don't see the need for that. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to do a skincare routine where I show you how I use this product. The reason why I like this line of product, or this brand more particularly, is because they are very clean in the products that they use. This is a line of product that uses a lot of herbs or extract of herbs, and their price point is very affordable for all these products. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4 products, and I receive, they send you a whole lot of samples. I pay $84, $85 with tax and shipping. I think it's not bad because I have a whole line of product for under $100. The line of products is pretty natural. Yeah, I'm kind of happy, and I'm definitely gonna reorder from them. So let me know in the comment section if you want me to do a skincare routine. I'll be happy to show you guys how I apply those products on my face. Okay, the next favorite thing that I want to share with you that I don't have here because it's downstairs in the kitchen and I don't want to go get it. I'm too lazy, so I will put a picture right here. It is called a I call it an iPhone holder. It's kind of like a tripod but for your iPhone, if that makes any sense. So here's the deal. Since the beginning of this confinement, I've been calling my dad, who's in France, every day around the same time. It is usually around lunchtime, and while we're talking, we do a video call. While we're talking, I'm usually cooking lunch for Ella and I. It's not very convenient to hold the phone and cook lunch or eat lunch at the same time, and that's when this phone holder is super convenient. This thing is amazing. It has like a flexible arm that you can rotate 360 degrees all around. It's very sturdy. You can clip it on your counter table, you can clip it on your headbed, you can clip it on your nightstand, your coffee table, whatever. I will link it in my Amazon store in the description box below if you guys want to check it out. I think it cost me $26 or maybe 27, I'm not sure. Love it. My favorite gadget of the month for sure. Okay, the next one I'm going to share with you is this awesome jean jacket that I got on Amazon Essential. You guys, let me just show you guys this jacket a little bit closer. I've been looking for a jean jacket for a while now and I haven't found anything. And while we were in confinement, I was a little bit frustrated not being able to go into a store and just shop. You know, nothing crazy, just I wanted a jean jacket. I'm not a big shopper, but when there's something that I know that I want, I like to go get it and be done with it. I don't particularly enjoy shopping online because I'm frustrated not being able to try the clothes on. But I gave Amazon Essential a try and I got this amazing jean jacket that is 100% cotton. It is lightweight. It gives me a little bit of stretch, but nothing too crazy. The length of the arm is perfect. I have pretty long arms, so I'm very happy that I am able to find a jacket that has a nice length. To be honest, I was debating between 2 jean jackets. The reason why I went with this one is because of the spec measurements. I have broad shoulders, and this one had longer shoulders than the other one I was looking at, and also I have long arms like I just said, and this one, when I looked at the measurement, had the longest length on the arms. That's why I went with it. I wanted a light wash. I did not want anything too dark because I wanted to use it for spring summer. I also like the length. It's like right on the high hip of my jeans. Yeah, I'm absolutely in love with this jean jacket, and to be honest, I don't know why I've not been wearing a jean jacket earlier. Yeah, just loving it. All right, now we are on to the last item, the last favorite thing that I want to share with you guys, and that is my favorite tea of the moment. If you guys follow me, you know that I'm always filming with a cup of tea on the side. Sometimes you guys see it, sometimes you guys don't, but 99% of the time I have a cup of tea. And I'm a big fan of loose tea, but with this whole confinement situation, I have not been able to go and buy my loose tea. My favorite brand for loose tea is, well, in the US, is David's Tea. But I don't like to buy tea online. I like to be able to smell the tea, sometimes even try the tea. It's a whole ritual for me. But I have found a supermarket tea that I actually really like, and so I wanted to share the brand with you guys. It's called Stash, and the flavor that I like more than anything is called the Double Bergamot Earl Grey. This is what the bottle looks like. Double Bergamot Earl Grey. I think it's been only a year since I started to enjoy dark tea. Before that, I was a big fan of green tea. I would love all different type of flavors of green tea, and I don't know what happened, but in the midst of last year I switched completely, and now the only thing I like to drink is black tea, but more specifically the bergamot Earl Grey type of black tea. This one has double the bergamot, and I am absolutely loving it. It says rich black tea blended with extra bergamot oil for more citrus flavor. But here's the thing though, the citrus is very light. It's not a citrusy tea. It is very much more softer, more floral than a citrus flavor. I'm not big on citrus flavors like that. I'm more of a floral smell and flavor, if you have not noticed. Between the perfume and the tea, I like to keep it fresh and floral. I absolutely love this tea. The ingredients are blended black teas and bergamot oil. Also, their box are, of course, 100% recyclable, but they are made with vegetable-based ink, so it's environmental friendly, which I really like. I found this at my local Stop and Shop, and they usually have deals where you can get two for $6 or $7, and I usually buy $2 at a time, and I stash it in my pantry, so I'm sure I have enough. And yeah, it's been my favorite morning and afternoon tea. Well, voila, my love, this is it. These are all of the favorite things I wanted to share with you. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give me a big thumbs up if you did. This really helps me rank my video up in the YouTube world, and leave your comments down below. Which one was your favorite thing, and what is your personal favorite thing? I'll be happy to read it. Again, don't forget that the phone holder is available in my Amazon, and I will see if I can find the bergamot tea in my Amazon too. And then that's it. I will see you guys very soon with a new video. Until then, my loves, don't forget to stay happy, be healthy, have a beautiful life. Au revoir et à bientôt. Hey, c'est la vie.